Dark mode is kind of future of Android applications nowadays. As a battery saving feature and also less strain on eyes, dark mode is the growing UI mode in many Google applications like Google Phone, Google Messages and many more to come. Google is also planning to bring this dark mode to Android application Google Chrome. But how if we get it officially before Google releases itself? Let's do this. So for doing this, make sure that you run on the latest Chrome version, which is 74 or above that. So for doing this, first of all, we have to type in a search bar Chrome / flags. After doing this, hit enter and you will be redirected to this page, which is called as experiments. So right here you have to search for Android web content dark mode. So here it is. Here you have it is set to default. You have to set it to enabled. Here you can see your changes will take effect. Such relaunch now option is available, but still we have to do one change. Now search for Android Chrome UI dark mode. So here you can see it's also default. Now set this option to enabled. After doing this, the only thing you have to do is now go to the about options. So here you can see that the dark mode has been enabled, but it's not fully enabled. As you can see that above the accent color is still white in color. So for the what you have to do is to go in about section of Chrome, that is under app section, and you have to force stop the Google Chrome application. Once you force stop it, restart your Google Chrome application. After doing this, click that three dots on the extreme right corner. And head towards to settings. Here you can see the option dark mode, which was not earlier available, but now it's available. So here it's your dark mode available on your Google Chrome. Now when you go to any website, first of all you will see the dark mode on it. So now let's search any of the website, like let's take our website, that is the fortech.com. So here you can see that the website which you are viewing now, it itself is in a dark mode. Though the website is in light mode, but now it's available in dark mode for you just because you have enabled dark mode in it. To revert back this action, you can disable dark mode under settings just how you enabled it, and to fully remove the developer options, you can again go back to flags, options and everything, and you can disable everything back, and Chrome will get back to normal.